Hello student, how are you? I hope you are all fine over there and enjoying the physical class. Okay, the students who are not coming to the school, for them only I am sending this video. Otherwise, it is better to come to the school so you can understand and interact with the teachers very well. So your understanding will be more powerful and fundamental knowledge you can get. Okay, anyhow, if any case you are not coming to the school, no problem. Here we are going to see chapter number 6 today, Vigyanasya Chamatkara. संस्कृत वर्ग एंड संस्कृत कक्षायां अहम त्वां सर्वां स्वागतं करोमि. Okay? विज्ञानस्य चमत्कार. विज्ञानस्य means of science. For translation, विज्ञानस्य means of science and चमत्कारा is a plural form of चमत्कार. चमत्कारा, miracles. Okay? विज्ञानस्य चमत्कारा means miracles of science. And here some of the examples of the instrument are given which we are using in our day-to-day life regularly, and these all are the miracles of science. This is a very simple lesson for the purpose of the translation and for your understanding, but very important for the vocabulary. What this particular thing is called in Sanskrit, for that purpose this lesson is there. And you know, you are still in smaller class. The more you will accumulate vocabulary, the more you will be powerful in Sanskrit. So here I am going to read paragraph one by one. I will give the meaning, then translation. And later on I will send PDF and all things with to you. Previously we have completed chapter number 5. All the answers and exercise and translation is sent to you. Today you will get two. One is combined one PDF only, but in that PDF one will be of Punravartan 1, some question exercise of Punravartan 1 and exercise of chapter number 6 and also translation. Now listen to me and note down the pronunciation in your mind, how to pronounce this word as well as meaning also. एतत् विज्ञानस्य युगम्. अत्र तत्र सर्वत्र विज्ञानस्य चमत्कारान् वयं पश्यामः. एतत् means this. Vijnanasya means of science. Yugam means era. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Sarvatra means everywhere. These three words are used together to show that it is spread in all the direction. Okay, so it is a particular type of expression. Atra, tatra, sarvatra. For the translation, okay, we will write here, there, and everywhere. But actually, atra, tatra, sarvatra means in everywhere only, in all the direction. Vijnanasya means of science. Chamatkara means miracle. Vayama means we. Pashyama means see. So what the translation will be? This is an era of science. We see miracles of science here, there, and everywhere. Okay? Now, what is the first miracle? That is, you can see in the picture, Brahmanabhasha. Esha Brahmanabhasha. Jana Brahmanabhashen Parasparam Vartalapam Kurvanti. You can see in the photo of the mobile phone is there. And in picture, in circled picture, there is a one person who is talking with Vartalap, means to make a conversation with the other. So, Esa means this, Brahmana Bhasha means mobile phone, Jana means people, Brahmana Bhashan by mobile phone, Parasparam with each other, Vartalapam conversation, Kurvanti means are doing or do. So, what the translation will be? Easy one. Try. Esha Brahmana Bhasha. This is a mobile phone. People do conversation with each other by mobile phone. How easy? Simple. Okay. So if you know the meaning, it is very easy for you to translate the sentence into English. Now second miracle is of, you can see this picture here on the left hand side, sorry. Etat sitakam jana sitakasya sitapayam. Payam in the bracket given jal. Pibanti means drink. Etat means again this. Sitakam is fridge. Sitakam is fridge. Almost everybody you have fridge in your home. So that is called Sitakam in Sanskrit. Sitakam means fridge. Sitakasya means of a fridge. Sitapayam means cold drink or cold water. Cold drink or cold water. Pibanti means drink or are drinking. So what the translation? This is a fridge. People drink cold water of fridge. This only two sentences. Very easy translation, and chances are there it will be going to ask in the exam. So learn well and understand well. The next is etat sanganakam. You can see in the picture one boy is there and he is operating computer or he is doing some work on the computer. So etat sanganakam yasha sanganakam chalyati sanganakena vividhani karyani saralam sigram cha bhavanti. Now listen to the meaning. Etat means again the same. This sanganakam is, by the picture you can come to know, computer. Yasha means name of the boy. Sanganaka means Sanganaka, computer. Chalyati means operate or is operating. Sanganaken, by Sanganak, computer. Vividhani, various. Karyani, works. Saralam, easily. Shigram, quickly. Cha means end. And Bhavanti means we can say are done or can completed. So the translation will be like this. This is a computer. Yes, operates the computer. Various works are done easily and quickly by computer, or various works can be done easily and quickly by computer. Okay? It's Sanganaken means third case. Sanganaken, by computer. Now the fourth one. Etat Durdarshanam. Jana Durdarshan Madhyamen Varta Chalachitrani Vividhan Karyakraman Pashyanti Srunavanti Cha. Here, make sure and keep in the mind that a slight printing mistake is there. Vipidhana, not Vividhana. In place of a P, there should be V, but by mistake, P is there. But you please note down the word Vividhana. Etat means again this. Durdarshana means you can see. Don't write short form TV, write a television. Okay? What is mean by Durdarshan? Television. Jana, you know very well, people. Durdarshan Madhyamen. Durdarshan means television. Madhyamen means by the means of. Varta means news, not story, news. Chalachitrani means movies. Vividhan means various. Karyakraman, program. Pashyanti means watch. Srunuvanti means listen. Now the translation. Etat Durdarshanam. This is a television. People watch and listen news, movies and various programs by the means of the television. By the means of television. Now we are moving ahead on the next page. You can see it is a picture of plane, aeroplane, and according to that only few words are there. In the next paragraph, एतत् विमानम् अस्ति, विमानम् आकाशमार्गे चलति, विमानयात्रा रोमाञ्चं ददाति, विमानेन दूरस्थानस्य यात्रा शीघ्रं पूर्णा भवति. Now meaning. एतत् means yes, this. विमानम aeroplane. अस्ति means is. विमानम means aeroplane. आकाश मार्गे in the sky. आकाश मार्गे means in the sky. चलती, चलती means move also or walk also. But you know, for aeroplane we are using word fly. So as it is singular, flies. विमान यात्रा. विमान means aeroplane. Yatra means journey. Journey by aeroplane. Vimanen yatra. Journey by aeroplane. Romancham, excitement. Dadati means gives. Dursthanasya, of far places. Dursthanasya means of far places. Yatra means journey. Shigram, quickly. Purna bhavanti, completed. So the translation will be like this. This is an aeroplane. The aeroplane flies in the sky. Journey by an aeroplane gives excitement. Journey of far places completed quickly by an aeroplane. Okay, so this much easy translation is this in this lesson. But you will learn some few new words in Sanskrit. That means aeroplane means vimanam, praj means sitaka. Okay, TV means television means durdarshanam, likewise. And now the last one is vyajanam, fan. You can see in the picture fan. Etata vyajanam, vyajanam brahmanam karoti, vyajanam tapam haroti. Vyajanam is, as I told, fan. Brahmanam is rotate. Karoti means is doing. Tapam means heat. And harati means remove or takes away. So the translation will be like this. This is a fan. The fan is rotating. A fan removes heat. This is a fan. The fan is rotating, or a fan is rotating, and a fan removes heat. Okay. So here this lesson Vijnanasya Chamatkar is going to end. Here now they have told copy the following words, but you please write down what it is told in English. Means Brahmana Bhasha, then you write mobile phone. Don't write only mobile. I want the word mobile phone. Shitapaya means cold drink or cold water. Sanganaka means computer. In the exam it can be asked vice versa. They will give English word, you have to write Sanskrit word for it, or they will give Sanskrit word, you have to write English word for it. Exercise 2 you have to do in the textbook itself. Picture of the instrument is given, is a mobile or a fridge. You have to write the word in Sanskrit in the box. Mobile means Brahmana Bhasha, fridge means Sitaka, then computer means Sanganaka, likewise. Okay, write in textbook only. And exercise 3 is for the translate or convert from singular to plural. See the example, illustration. Manava Rutapatram Pathati. Now Manav means one singular, human. Rutapatra means we can say newspaper. Pathati means is reading. Manava plural form means if the more than 2 human beings are there, Manava is there, then Manava, more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 2, more than 2. So then it will be considered plural. Manava Vrutapatram Pathanti. Likewise, these answers will be there. I am going to send you in the form of PDF. You please write down and try to understand very well. If any kind of doubt is there, do come to school and make it clear. And I hope whenever you are getting this video, you are listening to it, right, and understanding it, and also you are writing all the PDF and question answers and translation in your CW. Whenever you want to come, you may come to school, clarify your doubt, but be sure your book must be completed. All the things must be written in your book that you have to take care of. Okay, so goodbye student. Thank you very much.